Hello, welcome to Unit 9. Today we will talk about forces in our world. In this unit, I will learn how to understand that a force is a push or a pull, identify how different forces affect the movement of objects, explore how the size or direction of a force changes motion, investigate how surfaces and materials affect movement, for example, friction. Communicate ideas and observations about forces using words, drawings, or demonstrations.
Students, demonstrate pushes and pulls through hands-on activities. Describe how objects move and what causes the change. Make predictions and test how forces affect speed and direction. Use clear language and visuals to explain observations. Think critically about how forces work in real-life situations. For example, swings, doors, sports.
Lesson 1. In this lesson, we will ask ourselves the following questions. What is a force? What does a force do?
Memorize these words. Key vocabulary.
Force.
Push.
Pull.
Move.
Stop.
Direction.
Strength.
Push or pull. A force is a push or a pull. We push to move things away from us, like closing a door. We pull to bring things closer, like opening a drawer.
Force direction. A force can move things in different directions. It can make something go up, down, forward, or backward. The direction of the force changes how and where an object moves.
Lesson 2. In this lesson, we will ask ourselves the following questions. Gravity and force in action. What makes things fall down?
Memorize these words. Key vocabulary.
Gravity.
Up.
Down.
Drop.
Hold.
Lift. Gravity. Gravity is a force that pulls things down to Earth. But some things can stay up if a force holds them. Gravity pulls on a ball. A hand can hold it up. Gravity pulls on a backpack. Shoulders hold it up.
When we drop something, gravity pulls it down. It pulls on everything. Balls, leaves, and even people.
Lesson 3. In this lesson, we will ask ourselves the following questions. Motion, friction, and speed. What changes how things move?
Memorize these words. Key vocabulary.
Friction.
Speed.
Fast.
Slow.
Direction.
Slide. Types of motion. Objects can move in different ways. Some move in a straight line, like a car on a road. Some move in a curved line, like a roller coaster. Others move around and around in a circle, like a merry-go-round.
Friction. Friction is a force that slows things down or stops them when they rub together. It happens when two surfaces touch.
Speed. Speed is how fast or slow something moves. We use speed to describe how fast objects go.
Are you ready to learn more about this unit?
Let's get started.